immediate. So this is another consideration for creating your solution. Let me give you some insight on this. If all else fails, just figure out a way to do it believably quicker than all the other readily available options. So you don't have to reinvent, or you don't have to invent anything here. There's very little creativity in this. You just find something that people consistently do every day, and you say, how can I make them do it in half the time, a quarter of the time, or in some sort of definite deduction of minutes or hours every time that they perform this task. If people in a market are consistently performing certain tasks and you can show them a more optimized way to do that and they believe that that's true, then you can make a killing, especially for $5, $10, $15, $20 products, right? So here's a very specific example of this. How 6 minutes a day reduced my electricity bill by 22% a month for 15 months straight. So not reduce your electricity bill and save money. Nah, everything and anything you need to do. It's just, hey, you want to save money on your electricity bill or something? You can do 6 minutes a day. That's faster than what customers are used to encountering. So if you focus on specifically delivering the same benefit but just doing it faster than anybody else, you can make a killing in any market as a result of this.